Hello friends, welcome back to another cooking session on my channel. Today's recipe is a Sindhi winter special. We are going to make Sai Thumame Gajru, which is carrot stir fried with fresh green garlic. Fresh green garlic is only available in winters, and the carrots also in winter are nice and juicy. So this stir fry turns out really very delicious. You can enjoy it with rotis or dodo, which is bhakri. So shall we proceed to make the bhaji? Sai Thumame Gajru, carrot stir fry with green garlic. This is a winter special vegetable, as we get the red carrots and green garlic only during winters. You can relish it with rotis and dal as an accompaniment to go with it. Looks delicious, isn't it? Do give it a try. For this we'll require carrots. I've taken 2 large carrots and 2 small bunches of fresh garlic, 1 tomato, 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And for the spices, here we have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. You can use fresh also, salt to taste, and quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase the spice level if you want. Here I have scraped the carrots and diced them. Cut the tomato also into pieces. Green garlic, I have separated the white part and the green part. And here we have handful of coriander leaves and green chilies chopped. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box also. Now let's get started. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add the diced garlic, the white part of the garlic. Saute it. It takes a while to get fried because this fresh garlic has too much of moisture content. You can cover it so that it's done faster. Now you can add the green chili and the spice powders along with the salt. Now add the tomato also. Give it a nice stir. Reduce the flame and cover the pan. We'll let the tomato cook. You can add little water and cover the pan until the tomato pieces are soft. Now at this stage we'll add the diced carrots. Also the garlic greens, saving little for the finishing touches. Some coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. Now we'll cover the pan and cook it on a low flame. Little bit of water that's added initially is sufficient. We don't have to add water. After 2 minutes, open the pan and give it a stir. It's half done now. You can check the salt and adjust if required. Cover and simmer again for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the pan. You will see that all the moisture is dried up and it is done. Garnish it with some garlic greens and coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix and it's ready to serve. So friends, make and enjoy. This winter special carrot sabzi is very delicious. Even people who don't like cooked carrots are surely going to love it. I assure you that. Happy cooking! Stay tuned for the next recipe and take good care of yourself. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.